Hey guys, happy Thursday. It is currently 9:36 p.m. So the market has been closed for a while, but I did just want to give you guys an update on the portfolio. Today was a wild ride, lots of ups and downs, but we did finish green, and I did want to highlight a few things in my portfolio. So we still do have $1,300 in buying power, and I will go through the graphs very quickly. We are up $148 on the week, down on the month still. We're up for the 3 months. During that election time, it did really save our portfolio. It did have a huge spike. Year to date, we are up 1.11%. So in 2025, we are green. 1 year, we are up 30%. And then all time, we're up 45%. We also did get Robinhood Gold last month. Did earn a total of $2.67 so far this month. So we are on track to be getting just about $5 from our interest paid. So that will make up for our Robinhood Gold subscription. But I did just want to see what it's all about. I don't know if I'm going to keep that, but I don't know. We'll see. Too early to tell. For the second day in a row, or crypto's been green, excuse me. Bitcoin's up to 102, I believe. Did have a pretty big spike today. It did reach $102,000. Looking at Shiba Inu, it all is following pretty much the same graph. And Ethereum did also spike up to 3,400. So I did want to highlight a few things in the portfolio. So pretty much everything did finish red today. Looking at VU did finish down. With the overnight, it did finish a total of 0.4% or 0.04% down, with a loss of $2.68 today. But looking at the rest of the portfolio, I did want to highlight Johnson & Johnson, Realty Income, and SPHD. I've had SPHD for a while now. I've been buying SPHD since 2020. But today was a huge day for them. They were up 1.21%. On the week, very, very green, up 2.17%. You can see very, very upward chart on the week. The two shining stars in the portfolio right now, Realty Income and Johnson & Johnson. Realty Income and Johnson & Johnson are ones I've been talking about for a while now, that I've been dollar cost averaging in since, let's actually take a look of Realty Income. I've been dollar cost averaging Realty Income I've been buying it since 2020. And I started recurring buys in 2023. So a little over a year now for Realty Income. And today they are up 2.63% and 0.33% after hours. That is pretty crazy for Realty Income, almost up 3%. On the week, up 4.48%. That is actually outperforming VU on the week by 4 times, actually. On the month, they're green. 3 months, they're red. They've been having a very big pullback. I've been talking about them in almost every one of my videos, saying that I have been just keeping up the dollar cost averaging on Realty Income because I do believe in them long term, and they are my favorite REIT. And then looking at them year to date, up almost 3% on the year to date. So 2025, Realty Income is coming in hot. And then taking a look at Johnson & Johnson, looking at the year to date, they are up 1.92%, so almost 2%. But looking at the other charts, pretty much following the same exact chart as Realty Income. Pretty bad on the 3 months, pretty big pullback. Up almost 3% on the 1 month. On the week, up 3.5%. And then again on the day, up 1.94% today and 0.16 after hours. So Johnson & Johnson, another big boom in the portfolio. But that's good to see Johnson & Johnson and Realty Income finally paying off. Looking at the recurring investments, I've been dollar cost averaging, I want to say since March. So I did set recurring buys back in 2021, and then I started them again back in March of 24. So almost a year, a little under a year. In March, it will be a year of dollar cost averaging in a Johnson & Johnson. Do have $364, 2.46 shares. So it's pretty cool to see it paying out. Hopefully Johnson & Johnson continues to go up, but if it does not, I will just keep dollar cost averaging into it, buying the dips and getting Johnson & Johnson, Realty Income, as well as some of these other ones in the portfolio pretty cheap and collecting those dividends. Looking at the rest of the portfolio, NAC, Dollar General, and YMAX, all are stocks you guys recommended. In the challenge videos, I've been doing every one subscriber, I've been investing $1 into the portfolio. So a little 2025 challenge for myself to grow the YouTube channel as well as my portfolio. And I still do have the recurring investments going in, $20 a day. I do have $3 into JEPQ, 2 into Johnson & Johnson, 1 into Realty Income, 5 into Triple Q, 2 into Snap-on, 1 into SPHD, and 6 into VU. We do have those $20 a day going in, equaling out to $100 a week, plus the investing challenge that I've been doing. So a little over $100 a week that I'm putting into the portfolio, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have Realty Income and Johnson & Johnson in your portfolios, and how much are you guys up on those today? Very happy that I did finish green today, and good to see a green week in the recent red. If the market continues to go red, I will just keep buying those dips and collecting those juicy discounts. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go watch my challenge videos. Drop in the comments what you guys want to see the money and be invested into. I do think it's fun getting you guys involved. So yeah, drop those comments, like, subscribe, and yeah, thanks guys for watching.